when we stay together, when we are fearless of everything, even a crocodile. I'm very lost in the dark. Okay.
We are my best friends.
Hello Primers, welcome back to my channel. So this time you can see these two faces. So she is Revshi, my sister. Say hi. Hi. And she is Kathika. You guys know her because I have done 1 or 2 videos with her. And if you don't know her, if you want to know about her, then you can go check out some videos. I'll link that up. And today's video, as I have told, is going to be a very fun video because the name of this video is, say, Who Knows Me Better. Yeah. So the name of this video is Who Knows Me Better, and I am going to ask few questions and let's see if they can guess the right thing about me or not. So I'll get to know about them, they knows me better or not. So I'm very excited basically. So let's start with the questions without wasting any further more time. One who's going to lose the game, they are going to perform something for me, so it's going to be basically a punishment.
Huh?
Yeah.
কবে
জানতিস না?
না তো
So I'm ready with my questions to ask them.
we are ready with the answer sheets.
So question number 1 is, what's my favorite color? So guys, my favorite color is white.
I've written white. Yeah.
You?
Wow.
Oh my god, they're right. I'm so white. I'm ভেবেছিলাম তোরা black লিখবি. She has more than 100 tops in white color. Crazy lady. Okay, so question number 2. What is my phobia? যেটা আমি সবথেকে বেশি ভয় পাই.
Let me.
I'll explain you too. So let me say what's my phobia. So there are
No, you don't have to even say. It's dogs and cats. My god, she is scared of them. উল্টে ওরা ওকে ভয় পায়।
আরেকটা আছে।
ও দৌড়াদৌড়ি করবে। And they're like, what is this girl doing even?
like seriously ভয় লাগে তাই করি, ঠিক
Now
আছে?
let her tell.
ভয় লাগে তুই এরকম ভাববি না।
আমারটা হলো suicide. সে মনে হয় ছোটবেলায় কি ডুবে গেছিলি না চলে যাচ্ছিলি?
ইও ডুবে গেছিলি? এখন বলতে হবে না কিছু কাউকে, ঠিক আছে? So she is saying water and she
Wait, my list is large one. No? Water,
She has a
cat
phobia
and dog.
list.
Cats, dogs, and water. And sea. Water bodies. You know.
You can tell only one.
No, I have plenty. I have more.
okay, you can't pick so many things. I agreed that I have অনেক কিছু ভয় পাই, কিন্তু you have to tell the
Recent
most
times
যেটা আমি
are,
সবথেকে বেশি ভয় পাই.
It's not what you fear. It's about phobia.
Yeah, it's about my phobia.
Okay.
Phobia অনেক কিছু থাকতে পারে, but I am specific about this because ওটা সবথেকে বড় phobia.
Rejection.
What? What? Are why you're going that line? No.
Cats and dogs. Let me tell.
Okay, so she's telling cats and dogs, and she is also telling cats and dogs. Yeah, because that's very much prominent. Because
I have dogs and cats in my home, and she doesn't agree to go there even.
yeah, আমি ওকে বলে দিয়েছি ওর বাড়ি আমি কিছুদিন পর হয়তো যাবো না, because she is brought a dog and oh my god, that dog
Oh, the dog is so cute.
shut up. ভয় লাগে guys, আমি এমনি বলি না. There was an incident.
Okay, you don't have to explain now. Just go and get into the next question.
Okay, then next.
You should chapar.
Next.
Moving to next question. Question is, do I love shopping, and if I do, it's from where?
You have 3
Shut
to
up and
4
write.
shops.
You have to write.
You also do chapar too much. You write fast, okay? You are very slow.
I'm done.
Finish?
Yeah. This is
You
so
write
easy
fast.
for
You're not
me,
giving
you guys.
exam.
I can write. I can see your
She's
answer.
scribbling and all. She's confused. She's very tensed.
I'm giving board exam. I feel like even.
Shut up and say.
Oh my god.
Say.
I say shut up so many times.
Let her.
Always I tell first.
Street shopping.
You?
It's street shopping.
You also street shopping and she's also street shopping. So guys,
I am not street shopping. I prefer
Yeah.
that you love street shopping.
So the answer
You
is
don't like, but you prefer.
yeah. You shut up. That you should write that, okay?
Say.
I say shut up so many times. So guys, the answer is I basically don't like shopping. I am not obsessed with shopping. I do it whenever it's a need, okay? So yeah, shopping is okay, but I am not that girl that who is obsessed with shopping. And what are you doing? And if like given an option, then always street shopping is better because there are so many options and she's right. I have got so many videos. If you haven't checked that, then please go and check. I also link that up, okay?
Just you go up.
Yes, you go up. So many street shops, guys. Korea New Market. Oh my god, I'm going to Kolkata. Mumbai. Oh my god, it's a dream. I used to do a lot before, but now. Okay, next question. What's my favorite surprise date?
Surprise date.
Yeah. What will be
I know
like
a lot of them, but
thing
what
that
is
I
the
fantasize?
special? Oh my god, fantasies.
tough for me to write fast.
I can tell. I don't know. Like it's a big thing. You do not have some date that only be a word or sentence. It's a whole paragraph. Make an essay.
And tell. No, don't tell. Right. What? You were giving pause. You're not writing. Finished.
You are cheating.
Gee, you
I
guys.
know the answer, but
Not cheat.
You guys take a lot of time. That proves that you don't know anything about him. Shito, gone case. And she removing hair from her hand. I don't know what they're up to.
সেই বৃষ্টি পড়ে টাপুর টুকুর
Oh my god, no!
long drive.
Long drive, not so fancy things, but a very cool way, in a cool way. Just not being even dressed up.
Wait, dress you say?
They'll take it in another way. Don't say big things.
No, just
Casual.
being very casual
Yeah.
and very
Very casual.
Like I prefer being casual than being dressed up. I've been too much in a plastic.
She prefer being very casual.
Very
What you
messy,
see-
you know, very messy.
Your answer is you get chance to answer you.
Yes.
I have not written a single
Oh,
word.
let her talk. You just keep short of
No, I
argument.
You see, you are talking. Why are you talking?
She prefers being very casual. What you see on her YouTube videos, she is not that. She does not like to put makeup and being very dressed up, even not a single time. So she likes dating like that, or maybe on a long drive or on a seaside, just being very casual and sitting and talking. Maybe a healthy conversation is a good date kind of thing for her.
Rooftop date, you know. Rooftop date. Roof.
Partly both are right.
What do you love the most?
Yeah, like the thing that I love the most and the thing that I visualized almost, that thing is just a casual walk with someone
Oh wow.
whom I can express and talk and
Then,
laugh basically.
You cannot just you can walk in the seaside, no? So partially I'm right.
Walk in the on the.
too much chalu.
Listen to me. ছাদেও হাঁটা যায়।
No, it's not about chat or it's not about the sea, it's not about the place. The thing is just a casual walk. It's not about the thing, guys. It's a casual walk. Okay, it's done. Dating is done. And now the next question is the place that I want to visit after lockdown. Like right after lockdown. খুললেই চলে যাব।
My finished.
Your answer finished?
I'm done.
Say.
Digha.
Your answer is Digha.
Yeah.
Yours?
So basically I'm not sure about it, but basically I have written Shantiniketan because she wants to go there for a work trip, and she's dreaming from her childhood maybe. So that's it, I guess. Shantiniketan is my answer.
Yeah, I was planning for a trip to go to Digha, but this lockdown thing happened, so I couldn't. And let's see what happens. And she's telling Shantiniketan, yeah, I was planning again for a trip, not trip, I have to, for a work basically. I was trying to go there, but again lockdown. So I'm up to a very nice project, which I am not going to say much now. Okay, so it's a surprise for you guys.
So it's Shantiniketan also.
No, it's not Shantiniketan, and neither it's Digha.
Why?
Yeah, because Shantiniketan I will go for maybe work, and Digha I will
What
go
can it be?
if I get free time. But if lockdown চলে গেলে আমি তো আগে মুম্বাই যাব my place
I thought
yeah.
about it, but
Mumbai, yes. Yes, I'm planning to go there because I'm so fond of Mumbai and the beaches and my friends and
now stop.
street shopping, Colaba Causeway. Oh my. Okay, so the next question is, and this is the last question, guys. The last question is.
What?
Any nature of me which I personally admire the most. Like
What?
okay, next start.
What are you reading?
Confident.
Okay.
She is confident. She is damn confident. You know. একবার একটা পিকচার ক্লিক করবে, যদি ওই সময় ওর পেট ব্যথা করে, she will still keep on clicking. আবার সেকেন্ড যখন ক্যামেরা সরে যাবে, oh my পেট. She is like this. No, your answer, say.
Hairs. Hairs. Guys, hairs.
See my answer? You hair transformation?
She do her makeup in
Yeah.
maybe mostly 10 to hardly 15 minutes. And she just one time do curls, one time do straight, and more than
Oh, and what are you then? You coloring your hair? You making hair?
what is this? What is this?
She did it. Going to parlor and doing, and she's not parlor and doing. You shut up. Wait, my YouTube. Let me say. My YouTube channel. People. Let me say now. Let me say. Go and check her Insta profile. You will see perfectly trained. Yes. Perfect. Then Baba said, she don't take my class. Please, tera class nish na. Oh my god. I love guys.
Okay, my
she knows
hair-
such a cool.
yeah.
She looks good
Hairs,
also.
hairs.
She's very confident, you know.
Hairs
Ah,
are
bye
good.
like this.
Which is one of them? Give me the
Then-
point here,
Haan,
or I'll cut your hair.
Points. You both will get points. No, but hair. No. Hey, this is very unfair. See, you have to understand. If I don't have hair,
Yeah.
if I am not in love with my hair and my
Yeah.
hair is not perfect,
Yeah.
then how will I take pictures? How I will be confident?
but
no,
look
it's
at
not
the hair, girl.
No, listen. Understand?
No,
No. Confidence is something. It's a personality. If you don't be confident, then whatever you change your color, you won't look good.
No.
Confidence is the first one. No.
If I make her bald,
How? She will be confident if her personality, she is confident.
no, the nature and personality depends somewhat a percent also on her hair.
I don't know about
Yes.
your equation. So
Yes,
complex.
our equation.
So basically, will you shut that down? So basically, my hair gives me confidence. Okay? So দুজনাই বিয়ে করতে গেলে
This is her hair.
Yeah.
Hair, yeah, man, yeah.
Okay, I like that কিন্তু.
I'm done.
Okay, so it's hair, guys. হ্যাঁ আমি রং করি. I love my hair. And she was obsessed with my hair from childhood. Like ছোটবেলা থেকে আমার চুলের পিছনে এসে এরকম করতো.
Now you don't
Bobby
mind.
Okay. Don't do mine. Finished. Your question finished. But her answer is matlab it's also right. So I don't. So guys, I'm done with my questions and they have wrote their marks and প্রথমে যেরকম বলেছিলাম যে হারবে কিছু একটা করতে হবে, like they are going to get she or she is going to get a punishment from me and I'm going to be the teacher now. Okay? So teacher. Fashion designer.
সব একসঙ্গে।
What are you doing? She's checking her makeup. Okay.
I've got 6.5.
And I got 4. Gee, lajja how this. She the topper. She is the topper. The punishment is okay. Amake, she what? She is going to give me a head massage. Okay. Because I am having examinations and it was her birthday. Cool. So রাতে কোনো ঘুম আসেনি guys. ওই জন্য মাথা ব্যথা হচ্ছে. Sleep over. Okay. Sleep over. Okay.
A good massage. Go and do.
মারবো. I did not like that. দেখো ঠিকঠাক হবে.
I'm gonna enjoy.
Maybe একবার করে দেখা তোকে.
এই ধুর।
No punishment. মানে ও বুঝলো না ওকে দিয়ে করে নিচ্ছি। আর কল করলে বুঝবে না। Okay. I understood. And you busy?
No, I'm not gonna be busy. I'm going to take a picture.
No. আরে তুই আমাকে চিস কেন? আরে মাথা ঠেক। পানিশমেন্ট দিয়েছি ও পোজ দিচ্ছে পানিশমেন্ট দিয়েছি ওয়াও
I'm so. Give me some juice. What? I win. I'm the winner of the contest.
wow
You're gonna give.
the massage is nice
So you do. I'm the winner. Do this. Raise the result.
result guys hold her big boss winner I'm Salman Khan this is Rubina Dilike this is Rahul Vaidya and now okay please so guys भारत की जनता
जानना
winner
चाहते
is-
हैं. ना infamous जानना चाहते हैं.
the winner is
I'm so overacting my god.
you always do so the winner is So guys, it's done. I'm done with my questions. I'm done with my results. I got my. She got her punishment, and we are going to end this video now. I hope.
What I'm going to get? I'm the winner.
What will you take from
Give
me?
her.
She takes ador from me. Okay, leave me now. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you know you. Krishna. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you do, then please hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time I come up with a new video. And
Follow her in her Insta page. Check out her hair colors. She's obsessed.
yeah, follow me. Follow her as well. I'll link everyone's Insta ID down in my description. Don't forget to check that out. So it was really fun shooting this video, and it's been a long video, so I'm going to end it just now. So bye. See you.
Bye.
Bad mein. Bye.